Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about outcomes of democracy. So, why is democracy preferred more than other forms of government? It is preferred because it gives equality to all their citizens living in that country. As we all know, that democracy means people's rule. That means people can rule themselves, so there will be no equality among themselves. The second reason is it enhances the dignity among the citizens. So, what do we mean by dignity here? Dignity means state of being worthy. In simple words, each and every person living in that country deserves respect. The third reason is we all know that democracy takes a lot of time to make their decision. That is why their decisions are valuable compared to other forms of government. That is why many conflicts in the countries are resolved easily. So the fourth point is once a law is passed by the assembly, it cannot be removed totally. The only thing they can do is they can correct that law, and once the correction is made, there will be no protests in the country. So the fifth point is democracy is accountable, responsive and legitimate. So what do we mean by that? Accountable, responsive and legitimate in simple word means that rulers or leaders are chosen by the peoples. They are not permanent. So they will always try to correct themselves. That is why democracy is accountable, responsive and legitimate. And also in democracy, leaders are not permanent, they are temporary, nearly for 5 years or 6 years, due to which they have to make themselves correct. Otherwise, people will not elect them in next election, due to which they will always try to correct their mistake, and which will make democracy better than other forms of government. So, how is democracy good for development of the country or in economic growth of the country? Before coming to this point, we should know that development of the country depends on population of the country, global situation and cooperation from other countries. So if we compare democracy and dictatorship on the basis of economic growth, we will see that democracy has less growth rate compared to dictatorship. But we should know that dictatorship has more up and downs compared to democracy. Democracy doesn't have any loss, it just has profits, but it takes time. So these were the advantages of democracy. Now let's see the disadvantages of democracy. So as we all know that India is more diverse and has more population compared to any other country. Sometimes leaders might have a problem to understand the interest of the peoples living in that area. Democracy takes long process to pass any law. So democracy is all about political competition and power play. So here we can see more corruption compared to other forms of government. So many of the political leaders keep on changing their political parties, which lead to instability of the government.